This video will show you how to replace the pads and battery in your CR Plus AED to ensure it is always ready for rescue. The pads and battery are sold together with the same expiry date, so you will always replace them at the same time. Let's start by replacing the pads. Open the lid by pressing on the yellow on-off button. Hold down the on-off button for 3 seconds to power down the AED to allow you to replace the pads and battery. This will stop the AED from speaking to you. Remove the pads from the AED by pulling out the gray plug and sliding out the black tab to release the pads. Replace new pads by sliding the black tab into the side as shown, and then plug pads back into the AED. Carefully close the lid and ensure pads are not sticking out. Remove the yellow battery tab from the package. Release the battery by pressing down on the black tab. Place the yellow tab on the old battery for safe disposal. Slide the new battery into the AED and snap into place. The LED screen will now display the OK symbol with 3 black bars indicating the AED is ready for rescue and the battery is fully charged. Your new pads and battery will be good for 4 years from the date of install. Action First Aid's AED tracking tool, Ready for Action, will help you keep your records up to date. Thank you for doing your part to ensure we all have access to an AED that will be ready to help save a life. For any questions related to your AED or training, please email info@actionfirstaid.ca or give us a call at 705-720-2978.